Adjectives ending with ing. I am feeling amazing. She is being amusing. The book is engaging. They are finding it baffling. The show was entertaining. The thrilling ride is exciting. The movie was captivating. The sad news is upsetting. The loud noise is disturbing. The tasty meal is gratifying. The task seems challenging. He is doing astonishing work. The fireworks were dazzling. The sad news is depressing. The daring act impressed us. The attractive offer is alluring. The scary movie is frightening. The cold drink was refreshing. The loud noise was disturbing. The cozy blanket is comforting. The instructions are confusing. The sad news was depressing. The satisfying meal filled us up. The puzzling riddle is intriguing. The magic trick was astonishing. The instructions were confusing. The cozy fireplace is comforting. The uncertain future is worrying. The daring stunt was impressive. The outcome was disappointing. The charming garden is delightful. The horror movie was frightening. The sparkling dress was dazzling. The alluring scent drew us closer. The upsetting news saddened us. The delicious food is delighting us. The energetic music is invigorating. The roller coaster ride was thrilling. The heartwarming story is uplifting. The warm blanket was comforting. The alarming sound made us jump. The beautiful song was enchanting. The exhilarating hike invigorated us. The calming music helped us relax. The unsettling news left us uneasy. The astonishing feat left us in awe. The upsetting news was unsettling. The unexpected gift was surprising. The math problem was challenging. The comforting words reassured us. The mysterious story is fascinating. The inspiring speech is motivating. The calming music helped us relax. The fireworks display was amazing. The suspenseful movie was thrilling. The complicated puzzle was baffling. The soothing bath eased our stress. The comforting words reassured us. The calm ocean waves are calming. The comforting hug provided solace. The uplifting song filled us with hope. The exciting game kept us engaged. The alluring perfume drew people in. The puzzling mystery was intriguing. The worrying trend raised concerns. The baffling question left us puzzled. The engaging story kept me hooked. The challenging task tested our skills. The heartwarming story was uplifting. The movie ending was disappointing. The mysterious case was fascinating. The uplifting message brought us joy. The motivational speech was inspiring. The daring stunt impressed the crowd. The exciting game kept us entertained. The satisfying meal filled our stomachs. The confusing maze made us feel lost. The charming smile brightened our day. The refreshing breeze cooled us down. The worrying situation made us anxious. The surprising twist caught us off guard. The convincing argument is persuasive. We are having a bewildering experience. The breathtaking view was overwhelming. The intriguing mystery kept us guessing. The alluring scent captivated our senses. The calming presence brought us peace. The engaging novel captured our imagination. The entertaining performance made us laugh. The convincing argument swayed our opinion. The demanding task required our full attention. The absorbing book kept us engaged for hours. The mind-boggling puzzle challenged our intellect. The thrilling adventure pumped up our adrenaline. The mesmerizing dance performance held us spellbound. The captivating story held our attention from the beginning. The fascinating documentary shed light on a complex topic. The perplexing question challenged our problem-solving skills. The exhilarating race had everyone on the edge of their seats. The mind-boggling puzzle challenged our problem-solving skills.